Hey everyone, this is Anna here. Today is August 2nd, and I just wanted to show you my garden here again, the progress. Everything is still doing okay with some exceptions, but as you can see, my pot here with some patience and coleus are doing really well. I should cut down a little bit because this is kind of growing out of control, but look at the color of this. I just love these coleus. It's so beautiful, especially for fall. Look at these colors. Wow. Anyways, these mandevillas seem like they do well despite of the heat that we've been having. It's just so hot, but they're doing fantastic. And my vincas are doing really well. My petunias, which I'm in love now, which I think next year I'll plant some more around here. Kind of like in the edge of my garden. I think they look really, really good here. It's just so bright and so cheerful. My new plants are still going strong, even though, I mean, they're still kind of small, but those are the ones that I showed last time. Those sweet drift roses, and they're blooming right now. So they're doing well. I love my vincas, but my phlox are really, they steal the show here. Like, look how, look at the activity. Look at how many, it's just covered with bumblebees. I don't know if I can capture here. Can you guys see that? And it's got butterflies. There was this beautiful butterfly. I'm gonna see if maybe it will come back during the video here. But just covered in bees and butterflies. So another one here that I really like what's doing here is my petunias are growing through this plant over here, because these are the spreading petunia. I think it's the wave petunia is what I have right here. But look in here, they start growing through this lotopetalum, and they look so awesome here because my lotopetalum has got the real purple foliage now is growing out, and the new foliage is very purple. And then the petunia is in between. It's gonna look awesome. And my some patients are really growing nicely. And those are all the tall phloxes through here. This is the first year for some of them. That's why they flop a little bit. But the second year they grow stronger and they don't flop anymore. But this one is flopping a little bit, because you can see they're shorter, and that's the first year I planted. Look at this arborvitae, how pretty it is. Look at this color, the chartreuse, nice and healthy. My mandevillas here are still doing well. My baskets, my crepe myrtles are still in bloom. My begonias, believe it or not, are in full bloom. And look how tall they are now. My hostas are not doing too well, but that's what happens towards the end of the season. They do better in the beginning when it's not so hot, but it's okay. This one is doing better because it's in full shade. Plus it's getting protection of the other plants. My hydrangeas are coming back because the heat was so intense. It still is, but I deadhead them, and seems like they're getting new leaves on the bottom here. But look at this begonia, how beautiful. And look at that view over there with the purples and the heucheras. They're also one of my favorites. These purple heucheras right there, so pretty. And again, my hostas here are not doing so well either, but that's okay. My some patience there that is on a pot, still doing well. These elephants here got beat up by the storm we had the other days, and because of my gutter, the water just like a waterfall falls in there when the rain is so intense that the gutters can't keep up. So, but these ones are doing good. My water fountain, I had to turn it off because we had a short on my timer, so I bought a new timer, so that's why it's off right now. But everything is doing, I'm very happy with how it looks for being so hot, extremely hot this year. And everything is still doing well. I still have to water. I've been watering. The sprinklers go on almost daily if it's not raining. I removed all the dead trees from the back here. So the back is doing pretty good. No more dead trees. And I'm gonna plant some more in the fall. Maybe I'll have a better luck in the fall. But look at the layers that you see here with this pathway here. I just love it. So, and that's it. See you next time.